Hi, it's Nadia. Today we are making keto ginger miso cookies. It's a simple recipe. Miso and ginger are very adjustable friendly for making both savory and sweet cookies, and as a wonderful treat for both everyday and holiday use. Let's get started with the cookie making. I'll go through recipe and adjustables afterwards. Now let's see the recipe. 200 grams of almond flour, 30 grams of coconut flour, 2 grams each of ground ginger, Zamzam gum, baking powder, and baking soda. Ginger is both good for savory and sweet cookies. If for making sweet cookies, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves can be added. 80 grams of unsalted butter, softened and room temperature, 50 grams of monk fruit sweetener, golden, 25 grams of monk fruit sweetener, classic, 25 grams of white miso paste, and 1 large egg, room temperature. White miso paste can be adjustable from 25 grams up to 50 grams. You'll have sweet or savory cookies. I found these cookies can be served as a savory side dish for your daily supper. Technically like a simple keto dinner roll if we made it bigger and bake it soft and chewy. I wish you enjoyed this video, and please always know that you are cherished and blessed. Thank you for your watching and considering to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care. Happy New Year.